you can see there is a Pinnacle Designing Studios where they design all the products. Then here you can see there is a Bharat Creations. They are producing various kinds of LED boards. And now we will move over to the next stall. There are Weaves and Knits Private Limited, Bunia. They are producing various types of soft products. In my backside, you can see there is one stall for air package. They are producing various kinds of air package based company. Then there is API makers. Over here you can see there is the stall of API makers. They are producing, they are giving various kinds of digital services for your website and business. Now we will move forward, and over here you can see Phoenix Business Advisory. As the name suggests, they are giving advices for the new businesses or even existing businesses. So they are an advisory company. Then here you can see there is a stall of Pet Puja. They are providing a product which is both software based and hardware based. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Department Federation of India Limited. We can see where they are available all over. We can see that they are available all over India. These are all the products that they provide, and here is the QR code for their article catalog. These are all the products that they provide. We can see an overview over here, and also some decorational materials we can see over here that they provide. Now we will move over to our next stall, which is Vedgand Vastu Joshi Research Center. So we can say that related to Vastu Shastra, all the products they are providing over here, we can say. Thank you. And now, or here is the Cerebral Aesthetic. So they are personalized in hair transplant, hair growth, and hair growth, mainly hair growth. Okay, thank you. Next is the Shakti Gir Gaushala, and they are providing the various products which can be produced from the cow, cow dung and cow urine. Various products which can be produced through it. Thank you. So here we can see all the products that they have displayed over here, ranging from hair care to skin care to body care. Alright, we can see all the types of care products which are made organically.
Made from soil.
Made from soil.
Yes, मिट्टी से बनी हुई सारी प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे अवेलेबल.
Skin care, hair care.
Skin care, hair care, health care.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now we will move on to the next stall. So here is Artha Printer Technologies. They are providing services for printing services. Yes, they are providing printing services. So here are the products. Here are the various products, the parts of their printing machineries, and these are displayed over here. Thank you. So now we will move on to the next stall. Small Eye International. So here we can see all the kinds of wooden craft available over here. These are brain games. Then these are all the display, mainly puja gar and all. Then here are some wall decoratives available over here. We can see also so much beautiful, fabulous, and creative designs that they have made through wood, right? In this stall, this is Sabar Glasscraft Arkandeep. So here we can see all the products which are made from glass. Over here, see where these are very beautiful, fabulous products that they are producing over here. Okay, so now we will, which is here is Nandi Panchgaya Private Limited. So here they are actually, can you please explain us your product?
हमारा प्रोडक्ट नंदी पंचगव्य जो गाय के पंचगव्य से बना है, गोबर, गौमूत्र, दूध, दही, घी से, जो कि एनवायरनमेंट पे भी काफ़ी असर करता है और हम पे भी असर करता है.
Thank you. These are all the products that they have displayed over here. We can see all the products. Thank you. And now we will move on to the next stall, which is Godiawala. So now we will see what is their products. So we can see they have made baby cradle. Then okay, new model.
हाँ, ये सब जो मॉडल है वो सब NRI मॉडल है, आउट ऑफ इंडिया ले जाने के लिए इजी रहेगा।
Okay. So these are all NRI models available and displayed over here. We can see there is a second section for them too.
कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हैं हम।
Okay. So these are all the baby cradles models for NRIs and it can be customized too. Now we will move over to the. This is automatic system for babies, so there is no need for parent to give springs on the baby cradle. So now we will move over to the next. Over here we can see there is a stall for Hare Krishna movement Ahmedabad. So they are providing various mythological books about our Indian history.
Yeah, very true.
Yes. Mainly they are in Gujarati. I hope so that
Gujarati, Hindi, English, all languages.
Okay. So they mainly on the display they are Gujarati products, but they are also having a variety in Hindi and in English, and youth can also learn about Indian mythology from them. So these are all the products that are on display. Polyplast Private Limited. So these are all the products that they have put on display. So please, can you please explain your product?
हमारे पास सारे इंकजेट प्रिंटिंग मीडियाज है जो फोटो प्रिंट्स वगैरह और फ्रेमिंग्स वगैरह के लिए यूज़ होते हैं।
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now, see, you can see all the products that are displayed over here. I will take a close view. Now we will move over.